inches later.
Guys, I have bad news. Guys, meron akong bad news. Yung speaker na, ginamit ko para mag-concert dito sa loob ng bahay ko. Wala na. Wala na yun. Wala na yung speaker na yun. The OG speaker. The OG red JBL speaker. Wala na siya. Wala na siya, guys. I am grieving. Kasi, yun yung ginagawa ko. Yun yung ginagamit ko. Kahit saan. Everywhere I go, I use that speaker. I went to Jensen. Nawala. Guys, nawala siya. Nawala na yung OG speaker. Wala na tayong OG speaker. Queen never cry. Queen never cry. Wala na siya. So, we must move on. Kasi, may bago na tayong speaker. From Ate Mai. Ate Mai, thank you. This will never, ever replace the OG speaker. Sorry, I'm a very sentimental person. But anyway, that's life. Ganun naman talaga ang buhay. Dapat ka nang masanay. Walang mangyayari kung laging nagkikibagay. At least we have another one. And not only do we have another speaker, but we can sing! We have a mic! Rainbow! With a rainbow! Yo, that's so sick. It's a rainbow. Wow, it's so cool. Remember our OG speaker? You know what our OG speaker doesn't have? Rainbow lights. Our OG speaker doesn't have rainbow lights. Huh? Can the OG speaker do this? No. Oh. You ain't got nothing with this speaker. My microphone bow.